Hey Kickstarter, I'm Leo. I'm an electrical engineer with more than 10 years experience developing embedded hardware, and I'm here to present you the MicroSD to MicroUSB adapter. The adapter works with any Android device as long as it's rooted. I got a Nexus 7 right here. Then it's being rooted. You just plug it. It will mount it. And you can play any file that you have in your MicroSD transfer to another device. You can play music. You can simply just watch an image. It's that simple.
Some of our rewards level include a MicroSD holder with capacity up to 10 MicroSD. While we already have a working prototype and the electronic design done, we still have a way to go. By backing this Kickstarter project, you will enable us to build a pre-production prototype for testing and agency approval. Also, we get access to all the components needed to manufacture the adapter in quantity, professional 3D modeling of the casing, prototyping the SLA for testing and the molding itself, and finally, production assembly and shipping. Thank you for supporting this project.